This is the Christmas Story Glasses String Art Kit tutorial by String Art by Kaylee. To make this design, you'll need to purchase a kit from my string art group on Facebook or my website. It will come with yarn bundles and vinyl to stick onto the board. You will also need a pair of scissors and a straight edge such as a squeegee. The very first thing we will do is take a picture of our board. We will be removing this paper so all of these lines will disappear. The picture will be used as your reference. Once the paper is removed, go ahead and grab the organza bag and take out the yarn bundle. Taking the strand that is wrapped around the bundle, go ahead and pull it to unravel. With that same strand, we will make a loop up in the air. This is how I like to start my knots. We will then take that loop and tuck it onto any one of the nails, it doesn't matter where. Make sure that you push that knot all the way down to the base of the nails. This is an important step throughout the entire process. And then we will go ahead and outline the outer parts of the sunglasses. Again, making sure that you are pushing that yarn down to the base of the nails as you go. I like to start each area off with an outline so you can see exactly where we're stringing in. This design is pretty straightforward, but it always helps. We'll go ahead and just jump in and outline that inner circle of one side of the glasses. Once that outline is complete, we'll go ahead and start filling in. There's not a certain way to do this. You can go in a pattern, you can jump all around. The point is just to fill in this area. You can fill in as much or as little as you want. That is totally up to you. I personally like to fill mine in to where you cannot see the board behind it. Like I said, totally up to you. It will take a few layers. You can see I did one layer all the way across the sunglasses and back. And now I'll just kind of stick around this first frame and then move over to the other one. You can do this or just do one even layer from one side to the other over and over until it's filled in. Doesn't really matter. Once you are happy with how full it is, we will go ahead and do a second outline around the inside of the lenses and then back around the entire piece again. Exactly how we did it in the beginning, but this time it will be on the top of these layers. I like to do the second outline as it gives it a nice smooth finish. Once this outline is complete, we'll go ahead and tie off. I like to cut my yarn about 3 to 4 inches long. We'll tie that loop again and tuck it onto one of the nails and pull it tight. I then trim it to about 1/2 inch and then use the scissors to tuck that in between the layers. This will help hold that knot. Next is the vinyl. We'll go ahead and start off with that piece between the glasses. Flip it over, use that squeegee or straight edge to kind of scrape it. Slowly pull the backing off, and then you might have to just kind of rotate this in there. If it's too big for the area, you can feel free to trim it. They should fit though. Really press it down and then slowly pull that transfer tape off. And then we'll do the same steps to put the wording on. Flip it over so the back side is up. Use that straight edge to scrape across it to help it stick to the transfer tape, and then pull the backing off. Do it slowly just to make sure that the vinyl is sticking to the transfer tape. Flip it over, find your positioning, and then we will scrape it on. And then we will go ahead and slowly pull that transfer tape off. I do, when it comes to the words, like to pull it against the straight edge to help press it down. And there we have our finished Christmas Story Broken Glasses String Art Kit. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.